about Python. Now let's begin with answering some of the frequently asked questions about Python. So what is Python? Python is an object-oriented programming language which has very simple and clear syntax. It has an interface to many system calls and libraries, and it is also extensible in C or C++. So with extensible, what I mean is that if there is something which is not written in Python, and if you want to extend the functionality of that, you can use C or C++ language to extend it. Now Python is portable. The same Python program can run on Windows as well as on Linux system. So who invented Python? There is a gentleman which is called Guido van Rossum. He is the one who invented Python. And why it is called Python? So the story is, when Guido van Rossum, he was writing Python programming language, at the same time he was also reading script about Monty Python's Flying Circus. So from that he got the idea of calling it a Python language, because this is going to be slightly mysterious and also it is going to be a unique name for a programming language at that time. So now if you are going to use Python, are there any copyright restrictions on the usage? So there is no restrictions on the usage of Python for general usage. However, if you want to understand Python licensing in more detail, you can go to docs.python.org/3/license.html. Now what is Python good for? So Python is very high level programming language, and with Python I'm going to say that only sky is the limit. You can use Python for almost anything. You can use it to develop an application, you can use it to develop a web-based application, you can use it to develop gaming, you can also use it to develop or to do projects like data science or machine learning. So right now Python is the choice, or Python is the only language to go for, especially when you are going to talk about data science and machine learning and stuff like that. Python has been very popular for these use cases. Now let's understand what is the latest version of Python and also how Python versioning is maintained. So Python's latest version right now as of today is Python 3.8. So Python versioning is maintained by a.b.c. So A, you can say, is the number which is known for major version number. Okay, so whenever you see Python version 2 and Python version 3, then that is the one which is going to have very major difference between these two versions of Python. Now when you see something like Python 3.6 or Python 3.7 or Python 3.8, in that case there is going to be some difference, but it is going to be minor version number. So whenever there is some minor upgrade happens in this language, or whenever there are some minor changes happens, in that case they are going to just change the second number. Now what is this third character denotes to? So this third and last character denotes to micro version number. So this is mainly used for fix packs, or whenever there is any bug fixes happening in Python language. At that time they are just going to change the last digit or the third character of this Python version number. So where is all the Python source code kept? Now Python source codes are kept at github.com/python/cpython. You can go there and you can download source code of Python, and if you are someone who really wants to go through the source codes in more detail and try to understand more detail once you are learning programming language, in that case you can go to github.com/python/cpython, and from here you can download the source code repository of Python and you can explore that. And also the source code is also available at www.python.org/downloads. Now if you are interested to knowing which is the book which you can read if you want to learn more about Python programming language, in that case you can go to wiki.python.org/moing/Python books, and here you are going to learn more about all the books which are available around Python and the one which has been referred on this website. Okay, so if you are someone who likes to read more rather than going through videos and all, so in that case you can also start reading book along the way. Now in case you are interested in knowing some real Python projects, in that case you can go to www.python.org/about/success. Now here you are going to see all the Python projects which has been developed and also the success stories of those Python projects. So this is going to give you idea around what is the kind of project which you can develop using Python. Now how about the career opportunities when you learn Python? Now Python is one of the top programming languages which has been going on from last couple of years. Everyone wants to learn Python. especially because of the advancement and improvement which has been done around data science and machine learning area. So Python is a way to go, especially when you are really looking for some kind of job. In that case, there are lots of opportunities coming on Python.